Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezitshisa the entertainment guys, episode 21 of Uthando Nesithembu. Shem ubutshisa be uye wazama uhardcore narcissist ne-first wife yakhe ekungumacele to try and sabotage the Three Musketeers. Zathi i-Three Musketeers not today, not namhlanje, they were working together as a team. Bengiqala ke ukubona uMayeni a trender because she decided to stand up for uMakhumalo, guys. Episode 21 kulapho uMayeni basically stood out for uMakhumalo, exelela uTatomsele ukuba wena you were wrong ngendlela ophendule ngayo uMakhumalo the time ebuziba how for really are you saying ukuba lapha kwi-homestead yakwaMseleku is the real work, because kaloku thina we've never been paid for being the wives of kwaMseleku. Wena approachanga kakuhle uMakhumalo in the first place, awukwazanga ukumphendula kakuhle lo mbuzo. So that alone is creating a lot of confusion amongst the wives, because sihleli nje thina silapha sibayi-3, we have never been paid, but when you keep on saying it's because you have done so many things for us, that is the reason as to why thina singazu-back payer, okanye that is the reason as to why uMakhwela umyekise umsebenzi, because izinto wena also senzele zona thina is equivalent to basically saying uMakhwela needs to stop working. So abantu abaninzi were like, wow, we are so happy that finally the Three Musketeers are working together as a team. Another point that was raised by uMakhumalo would be the point whereby uTatomsele was saying is saying is whereby uTatomsele said eMzumbe kwenile akusasikwa, even the grass, things are just upside down. Wangenelela ke uMakhumalo wathi hawu mina nje ngiwuMakhumalo ngiyamkhokha ubaba uMphembe, so I don't understand mekuzothiwa eMzumbe the grass is so long. Furthermore, uMangwabe, uMayeni and uMakhumalo are contradicting what uTatomsele is saying about uMzumbe. Into ba hayibo mna ndike ndiye nje eMzumbe, but I've never seen le grass uTatomsele akhuluma ngayo, because obviously ubaba uMphembe is there. So uMakhumalo is saying it means then I need to stop paying ubaba uMphembe, because it means that akawenzi umsebenzi wakhe. Furthermore, it is not the duty of the working Three Musketeers uthi uMakhumalo kaloku thina asiyekiswanga umsebenzi. Don't forget that thina sibayi-3 umsebenzi awusuyekiswanga njengoba uyekise your new lover ekunguMakhwela. We wake up every morning, we go to work, so when we will get the time to check into ba ubaba uMphembe wenzani, that is your duty as a man, to check into ba ubaba uMphembe is he doing his duties around the yard. So you cannot tell me that uMayeni is expected intoba makahambe ke ngoku on top of the roof ayokehlisa itanki eligibele kwi-roof wena as uTatomsele ukhona as the man of the yard. It does not make any sense. So they were arguing that intoba uTatomsele uyathanda to always shift the blame, is someone that is not transparent. Even uBabundabe and Usisnonto, they were siding with the Three Musketeers intoba if you were to change your leadership the way ozenza ngakhona izinto, maybe izinto kwesi sithembu sakho would officially change. But now the thing is that leadership yakho iketukile nje. Your leadership is also upside down, because wenza izinto ngendlela wena ofuna uba mazenziwe ngayo. You don't consider that you've got other wives. The only wives uMangwabe ude watsho uye wathi the only wife that you consider is uMacele. Uye waya ke ku-diary session uTatomsele wayotsho, but the reason as to why I consider uMacele is because wenza intando yami. That is the only reason as to why I consider uMacele. Wayotsho na kwi-diary session into ba yey ingathi nje uMayeni, Mangwabe and uMakhumalo kukhona into abake bayithetha before coming to this session, because bavumelana ngento eyi-1 and uthi kukhona influence. Amazi ke xa ithetha nge-influence into ba isuke ijongise bani, isuke ijongise kuMakhumalo into ba she is the number 1 influencer the other wives to think the way abacinga ngayo towards ke uTatomsele. Now uTatomsele is also revealing that should he change change his leadership skills or the way a leader khona is Thembu, he's going to close all the taps. Uthi bazosuka, uthi uyabona lento ayithethwa nguSineyo into ba mandibayeke ukubabhatalela izindlu zabo. I will start doing that. Bazosuka phaya bacinga uba bahleli khona eChuchoyini, they will come back to eMzumbe, bazohlala eMzumbe full time. Even uMakhumalo njengoba ehambe esithi yena umzi uzithengele, guess what, I will close all the taps. Sizobona into ba who is who in this polygamy, who is the man, who is the head of this polygamy. Njengoba nje ndabasusa emakubo, they were never ever trained to respect indoda. Kuyabonakala, it shows right now the way abathetha ngam nayo indoba they were never trained, okay? So uMakhumalo, guys, I'm all over the place, I'm so sorry, but uMakhumalo, when she was basically trying to explain indaba yaseMzumbe and the grass, she even went as far as coming for uSamkeke, and even said to uTatomseleku, don't say the reason as to why uthatha uMakhwela is because there are issues within the polygamy. Kukhona inkinga ezikhona ekumele zisombululeke. Don't say that wena yisho nje ukuthi wahlangana nentombazana encane oyithandile esenhlizweni yakho ofuna ukuyekisa umsebenzi at 22-year-old usafresh umaqekeceke wakho. Just say that. Don't say mhlambe kuneleke kunenkinga, because so many years sihleli lana ungaziboni lezo zinkinga, but because you've decided to take a 22-year-old girl, now all of a sudden kunenkinga in our polygamy. So uMakhumalo ke uyatrenda ngale topic ke of basically revealing that uSamke is 22 years old. According to our knowledge, uSamke is 26 years old. That is what we as the viewers know about uSamke. Intoba is 26 years old, ulingana no Tirelo, but ke namhlanje uMakhumalo revealed that she is only 22 years old. Manke njonge intoba what are the people saying about le episode, guys? Guys, one thing about uMakhumalo, amashwa like udinga i-cleansing, because tell me, why are people turning against uMakhumalo for revealing Samke's age? So one person here is saying this one is jealous that she is no longer the youngest wife. She was also young and is still young. Being in her 30s does not mean she is in Abomayeni and Macele's age group. She must stay in her lane. Kutsho uMakhumalo intoba ebefuna kube nguye omncinci because naye wachata uTatomseleku at the age of only 23. So what's the difference between yena noMakhwela? That is what the people are asking. Kuthiwa ude uzenze lento engaphezulu ekhekheni ngoMakhwela, nawe nje wafika kule age kaMakhwela and no one said anything about that, okay? Omnye ke uthi, the way I look at this whole situation, uMake is just jealous because uSamke took her position. She was all lovey-dovey with uTatomseleku. She was all lovey-dovey with uTatomseleku before uSamke came into the picture. That is why she's always criticizing for uSamke. She is just intimidated. uSamke intimidates her so much, okay? Then as someone else because I wrote on Facebook ndate guys, when we got introduced to uSamke, saqale into ba una 25 turning 26, same age as uTirelo, and so someone here is saying to me Umusa knew she was 22 years old. That is why uTatomseleku did not oppose the time uMakhumalo esithi wena, you are just in love, you are just head over heels, uthando olutsha, you cannot control it. That is why enga opposanga. Uthi ke Umusa knew she was 22. He twisted the age so that it's us, the public, they do not judge him by saying ulala nengane encane kangaka. Guys, uMake wenu cannot stand the fact that there's a new Qanda in the house. She's forever dragging ingane yabantu, even in things that do not concern uMakhwela. I always thought I am imagining it, but the manner she's forever throwing shade at uSamke is truly exhausting, and a lot of other people are now defending Phua Makwela into yoba anakha-ke umyeke dilishana nendoda yakho leseyithandana nomntana ke ona 22. So yeah guys, ke nanso i-update of the horror. What are your thoughts on this? Ndiyacela maske si-engage and surely I will see you shortly. Bye guys.